Hello, everyone. Just thought I'd do a little introduction here. It's a project I'm getting started. All of my grandkids are taking up musical instruments, and my oldest told me that she'd like an electric guitar. And I decided that instead of going and buying her, like a Squire or something, that I would make her one and kind of make it special. So I bought this guitar from Amazon, and I'd like to show it to you. This is a Leo James model, and actually I'm pretty impressed with the packaging here. As you can see, everything is very well packaged here. I got a little bit of shipping damage, but that's not the fault of the company. The box kind of pretty much served its purpose. But one of the things I like about this is that this guitar is eventually going over to the Philippines, where my granddaughter lives, and it'd be very easy for me to pack this back up in this packaging material, and then I can take it with me over there and then put it together and get everything set up. But let's take a look. Of course, we got the neck. Yeah, this is just a standard neck. This is a Telecaster style electric guitar, and this is a maple neck, maple fingerboard, and just taking a quick look at it, it seems to be pretty well built. The frets feel good. It is a maple slab on top of a maple neck. It's not like the one piece that the Fenders had, that you would have the skunk stripe in the back for the truss rod, so we don't have that. Of course, you've got the headstock design, in which you could basically cut it and shape it to make it anything you want. They have given me a template for your standard Telecaster shape, and I'm inclined right now to probably go with that. But y'all let me know. Next, we have the body. And as I say, it's just your standard Telecaster shape. There were two different options that I had. I could have bought this either mahogany or poplar, and I decided that poplar would be a lighter wood, perhaps. I could be wrong. It feels like it still has a little bit of weight to it, a little bit more so than I care for, but I may do some things to help to alleviate that. I think I'm going to put a belly cut, kind of a contour, in the back and up towards the front where your hand normally rests, kind of similar to a Stratocaster. There's a lot of Tellies that have been done that way. The neck pickup is routed, in which I could possibly stick a humbucker up in there, or perhaps a Filtertron. Haven't yet decided. They've already drilled for the pick guard, which is kind of unfortunate, because I would kind of like the option of leaving the pick guard off. And I could still do that, I guess. I could fill those holes. I'm going to paint it solid. It'll be a solid color, and I'm trying to still think about the paint scheme. I'm thinking either, I know that she told me that she likes pink. Of course, she's a girl, typical girly girl, actually. And so I'm thinking perhaps pink, and perhaps doing a burst as well. So I'm thinking either maybe a white body with a pink burst around the edges, or perhaps a pink body with a white burst around the edges, or maybe some other color. Maybe a pink body and some other color around the edges. Y'all let me know. Tell me what you think. Give me some suggestions here. I'm kind of still trying to figure out what I want to do. One thing that I like, that I'm really impressed with the quality of this kit, is just the fitment of the neck to the body, in that it feels really, really snug. See how it just kind of goes in? And it fits really tight. Actually, it may be just a little bit too tight, especially once the finish is there. But that's actually really good for what I paid for this. I paid $75 for this kit, and I really believe I got a lot for my money here. The neck pocket may be just a little bit too high. I think that neck's sitting a little bit too tall in there, but that's easy to fix. It's better that than the other way around, and it's sitting too low. So, all of that's looking good. And of course, you have all of the hardware. I have two different pick guards I could use. I've got a white pick guard, and I've got a black pick guard somewhere else. And then, of course, you have all of the hardware. This is the bridge, which I'm probably not going to use this. It's drilled for 4 holes, which is the standard vintage style tailpiece. The modern style uses 3, and then you have 6 individual saddles. This has 3, which that's fine. You can get compensated saddles, and that would be good. But the reason why I'm not going to be using this particular tailpiece is that I want to convert this over to a string through design, in which the strings will actually be run through the back and be coming through the body. And in doing that, you're going to have a guitar that resonates better, and it gets a better transfer of tone in with the wood. And of course, everything else, some of this stuff I may use, others probably not. I'll definitely use the plate. The pots are the cheap dime-sized, but they actually don't feel too bad. So what I may do is take these, rewire them. I may get the more higher quality CTS pots and put these in. And of course, what the Telecaster normally is, this is the normal configuration here, where you have the pickup switch, for your neck pickup, both pickups, and then your bridge pickup. And what a lot of guitar players like to do, and that I think I would like to do it as well, is that they will take and they will flip this around, and it's easy enough to do, so that what you will have then is your volume, and then your tone, and then your pickup selector in the back. And that way that allows you to manipulate your volume control to do swells and certain things like that. So I think I like that configuration, and that'll be easy enough to do. The all of the machine heads, they're really not good quality. I'll probably replace these also along with the pickups. Got the neck pickup and the bridge pickup. These will probably, I'm probably not going to use these. I'm going to get some Alnico 5 pickups, either from from Amazon or perhaps Guitar Fetish, and I may stick a humbucker or a Filtertron up in the front there. And of course, if I do that, then I'll have to I'll also have to do some mods to the board, to the pick guard itself, because right now it's the hole's made for the standard Tele neck pickup. Anyway, the has some strings here. I'm probably not going to use. I'll get her some good strings. All of the tuning machines that I may try to use these, but I'm really not too impressed with them now. I can get a good quality either Shaler's or Goto's or something along those lines. I can get those for about 30 or 40 bucks, and it may be worth it to do that. Here's the other pick guard that I'm probably not going to use this one, but it's there. Assortment of screws and stuff. The neck, I'm not going to use the plastic thing, and of course all of the guitar kits. I don't know why they send these, but it's a cheap cord to plug into your amplifier. Everybody sends these either with the guitar kits or whatever, and we never use them. We also have the Allen keys for the bridge height and the truss rod, so those come in handy. But anyway, this is the beginning of my project. So y'all tell me what you think. Now I'm going to clean this mess up before the wife comes home. Talk to y'all later. Bye.